Good afternoon, guys. Hope you're all well. It's Friday afternoon for us, and we're going to have some very happy customers coming back to pick up their motorhome shortly. So this is a 2024 Swift high-style coach-built motorhome, and these guys are from Scotland but have just come all the way up from the east coast of Spain, down in the Marmanor region, so they've done lots and lots of miles. Now, the reason why they've come to visit us today are two reasons. One, we have fitted another FM and DAB body-mounted amplified antenna. Now, we did a video yesterday about this, so whether that will appear before this video depends on duration. They are a great addition to the vehicle because a lot of these modern ones have something built into the wing mirrors. They're passive, they're not active, they're not very good. And gone are the days of having something on the roof because of all of this fiberglass. So this is the next best thing. It's body mounted onto the metal of the vehicle, which provides or creates a ground plane or an earth. That means then that this is bolted on. There's the FM and the DAB feed that go all the way through to the radio and a 12-volt trigger. And that fly wire is the amplification that gives it a boost. But then also what we do is, because this is a Ducato 8 on a 2024, the factory 10-inch head unit, we then use our own bespoke little leads to make a really nice, neat, professional installation rather than cutting cables and splicing stuff on, because we let the others do that. We don't do that. So FM and DAB body mounted antenna. Now, in the doors, we have removed the factory fitted Fiat Ducato standard speakers. I've done loads of videos like this, so I won't bore you to tears. The speaker that gets fitted in here from factory is really nasty and cheap, and the tweeter, which is then A-pillar mounted up here, we replace with a set of German-made Eton door speakers, tweeters. We then apply sound deadening over the door area to allow the speakers to move and breathe as they should. Then also, in conjunction with that, I'm going to whip in here. We have also fitted the Alpine under drinks holder subwoofer with its own little bass control knob, which is here. Don't know if Sammy can get that. We are in the workshop. It's a little bit darker today. So there's the little subwoofer control knob there. And what that does is that just adjusts the bass up and down to your required taste, depending on what you're listening to. And then all of that is powered by a little hideaway inline amplifier. That's what we call the triple audio package. So if you've not heard me, I sat on the key and set the alarm off, so I just turned it off. So a bit of a blooper there for you. Because we haven't done a video for the triple audio for a while, just because we don't want to do a triple audio video every single day. But this is a hand-picked package that I've put together that is a sensible price, a load of kit, and makes a massive transformation to your vehicle. It's on our website to have a little look. Yes, you really do need to have it professionally installed by us, otherwise it's not going to sound the same. But it consists of door speakers, tweeters, sound deadening, subwoofer, mini amplifier, and the bass control knob. So if you're interested in any of these products, website links in the bio. All of these products are on our website as well. Get in touch via the contact form, and if you've got any questions, let us know. We can also give you a quote. And as usual, don't forget to follow us on social media, Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our sister YouTube channel, Advancing Car. And that's it. Thanks for watching.